How can I master the DLS method, calculations, and applications? Have you ever wondered how cricket matches continue smoothly even when rain disrupts play? The answer lies in the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method. Let's break it down so you can master the calculations and applications of this essential tool in cricket. First, understanding the basics of the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method is key. This method is a mathematical formula that helps set a fair target score for the team batting second when a match is interrupted, usually due to rain. It considers two main resources: the number of overs remaining and the number of wickets still in hand. The goal is to adjust the target score based on how many overs are lost, ensuring the challenge remains fair. Next, let's talk about the resource concept. Each team starts with 100% of its resources, which includes full overs and all 10 wickets. As the game progresses, these resources decrease as overs are bowled and wickets fall. The Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method uses pre-calculated tables or formulas to estimate the percentage of resources remaining at any point in the innings, based on historical scoring patterns. When interruptions occur, the resources available to the batting team are reduced, and the target is adjusted accordingly. Now let's look at the calculation process. Before an interruption, a par score is calculated, which is the expected score given the resources used. After an interruption, the target for the chasing team is revised based on the resources lost. The formula takes into account the stage of the innings when overs are lost and the number of wickets remaining. This means that losing overs late in the innings, or with fewer wickets in hand, affects scoring potential differently than early interruptions. Familiarizing yourself with the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern tables and software is also important. The method relies on resource tables or computer software that provide resource percentages for different combinations of overs left and wickets lost. Learning to read and interpret these tables is essential for understanding how targets change. Many cricket boards use official software tools that automate these calculations, but knowing the underlying tables helps in grasping the adjustments. To truly master the method, practice applying it in various scenarios. Work through examples of interrupted matches with different overs lost and wickets fallen to see how targets are adjusted. Analyzing past matches where the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method was applied can provide practical context. Simulating rain interruptions at different points in an innings will help you observe how targets shift. It's also important to keep updated with the latest refinements. The method was originally developed by Frank Duckworth and Tony Lewis and later refined by Stephen Stern to better suit modern formats like 2020 cricket. Staying informed about updates or changes can affect your calculations and applications. Finally, understanding the practical impact of the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method on match strategy is vital. Knowing how it works can help teams adjust their batting or bowling strategies during rain-affected matches. For instance, teams batting second may change their pacing based on the likelihood of interruptions and the current resource situation. Match officials use the method to make fair decisions on target revisions, ensuring a competitive balance. By progressing from the basic concepts to practicing calculations and applying the method in real match situations, you can effectively master the Duckworth-Lewis-Stern method calculations and applications in cricket.